Creating a WordPress website with Namecheap is simple and straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide. Sign up for hosting. Visit the Namecheap website and select a hosting plan that includes WordPress. The Stellar Shared Hosting Plan is a popular choice for beginners. Register a domain. If you don't already have a domain, you can register one during the hosting sign-up process. Choose a domain name that reflects your brand or website purpose. Access cPanel. Once your hosting is set up, log into your Namecheap account and access the cPanel from your dashboard. Install WordPress. In cPanel, locate the Softaculous Apps installer or WordPress icon. Click it and then select Install Now. Fill in the required details such as site name, admin username, and password. Choose domain. Select the domain where you want to install WordPress and configure any additional settings like plugins or themes. Complete installation. Click Install and wait for the process to finish. You will receive a confirmation with your WordPress admin URL. Log into WordPress. Visit your WordPress admin panel and log in to start customizing your website.